It's your girl Brinks. I am in TK's room. You guys know how I've been looking for a mattress for his new bed, right? Well, since I found the mattress last week, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble his bed. It was supposed to be like 100% surprise for him on Christmas Day, but unfortunately his dad got sick too, so his dad doesn't have him. I have him, and I have to kind of make this work while taking care of him because he's still like a little bit sick. Not a lot, but he still has just like some of the weakness and of course now the cough pretty much. But this video is just gonna be about me assembling his bed. I'm not gonna be showing you guys the whole assembly because that would just be completely boring. But I will be checking in from time to time and then letting you guys see me do a little bit of it on video. But for the most part, I just want to get on here. So for the most part, you guys, I have pretty much taken all the pieces out of the box. I have them all set up, ready to assemble. So now what I'm going to do is I'm putting together the front and back part of the house. That is those pieces over there. These long pieces right here go to the side of the bed, front and back side. And then, of course, the other little pieces behind it go to other parts of the bed as well. But you guys, I have a long road ahead of me. I don't know how long this is going to take, but we're about to get on this. So I will be back to show you guys after I have the front and back assembled. Hopefully this will go by fast because looking at it, like there aren't a lot of there aren't a lot of like small pieces. They're all pretty nice size. It's just a matter of fact of how complicated it is going to be to like screw it in and stuff. But I'll be back, y'all. All right, guys, it has been 15 minutes since I did the first session, and I have back of the headboard ready. Hopefully you guys can really see it. That took me 15 minutes. Now I'm about to conquer the bottom part, and I'll be back, guys. All right, y'all, another 10 minutes later, and the second half, well, the front part of the bed is done. Now we're going to proceed to do the rest of it.
You guys, what I thought would take me probably 20, 30 minutes max, wound up taking me about 2 hours. This has been the most complicated piece of this bed ever. I tried it standing up. I tried it all together on the floor. Slats would go in, slats would fall out before I could even tighten it. And then it's not going to push all the way completely together because the slats were falling out on the other side and making it uneven. So every time I tried to push it together, the screw in, the little screw, like a slat would be out on the opposite side, throwing off the whole balance.
But I finally got it together, you guys. 2 hours later. It is together. Finally. If you guys know like I know, if you have a kid that's going to be on this bed, you cannot half do it. Last thing I want is my baby to fall because his bed is not fully put together. Like, that's not good at all. It's not safe. So, yeah, I had to make sure that this was like completely together. I'm probably going to end up rearranging this room too because this bed is going to take up a lot of space. I can see that. I kind of was debating just moving it right here along this wall. That's probably going to be the best place for it to be, and then putting that table right there. But then I wouldn't have anywhere to put the desk. Like this, that's the only thing, y'all. Like, it's not enough room in this room. It's not. Like, it's crowded. So we are just going to leave it where it is right now. But then after Christmas, when I take down all the decorations and the tree, I'm going to have to rearrange this room so that things fit in here more comfortably. Honestly, it will really be helpful if I could get rid of this altogether, y'all. I've been trying to sell it, and like I have it on like every selling platform for like $40 and nobody's taking it. Like, we really don't even need it anymore. I just use it to store clothes at pretty much now. And it's taking up space that we could use. Like, look at this, y'all. And I still have to put the end of the bed down here. So, like, it's really going to be really, really cluttered. He's not going to have any space for real to move freely unless I take the bed and I either move it along this way or along that way. But other than that, y'all, it cannot go straight up and down in this corner unless I move that somewhere. And I have nowhere to move it because this closet is right here. And it's a wrap. Yes, baby. Yes, baby.
I love you.
I love you. Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute?
You're not my daughter's mom.
What?
You're not my daughter's mom.
No, TK, I'm your mom.
Jordan is not my mom.
No, Jordan is sometimes. All right, guys. So now that I finally got that done, like 2.5 hours later, we are going to go ahead and start putting the rest of the bed together. Hopefully this part goes a lot faster now that that pain in the behind part is done. And I will check back in with you guys in a minute. All right, guys. Another 45 minutes later. Whew. Y'all see the lack of space. I'm going to have to rearrange this room. I don't even know where I'm going to put everything. But I'm going to rearrange it after Christmas because it's a wrap right now. Because if I rearrange it right now, I'm literally going to have to move everything pretty much out into the hallway to figure out where I'm going to put this bed. And yeah, don't nobody want to do all of that. So, you guys, this is how the bed's looking. There's a few more parts to go to it, but I am pretty much almost finished. So, I'm going to go ahead and put the last pieces on here, throw the mattress on here, and y'all take a break because I am tired. I'm going to finish up that third room because that's what I need to do. Finish up the third room. And then I will be back, you guys. So, it should take me about another hour. Take me about another hour max. Maybe shorter because, like I said, it's not that many pieces left, but we'll see. I'll be back. All right, y'all. 5 hours later. And... Aww. No, look at your cute self. This is his house bed, y'all. It does have, I do need to put the last two, like, poles right here, which I could probably do right now. And it was supposed to have windows, y'all, but I put the wrong poles up front. So it's just going to stay like this, you know. I might change it when I rearrange his room. Like right after Christmas when I take the Christmas tree down and there's more room in here. So you guys can see I started putting presents up under there. I was only able to put these presents up under the tree, y'all, because he was asleep. Majority of his other presents are in my freaking trunk. So that's why I had to put these in, because these were actually in the house. But this is his house bed, y'all. He loves it. And I might honestly just leave it like here, like leave it like this, but it depends. Since this was supposed to be a Christmas present, I'm just going to decorate it and have it all set up for him, like on the day of Christmas with the rest of his stuff out. And then just surprise him that way, y'all. That bomb tree. Yes, my own creation. That topper was made with a plate, y'all. 100% a plate. That is a SpongeBob plate.
What is SpongeBob plate?
Right there. That's a plate.
Right there?
Yep. Your tree topper is a plate. All right, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm about to proceed to get the third room finished. That way I can go ahead and do that reveal. And then I have to look for the other duvet cover set to go on my bedroom, to go on my bed, so that I can get that video out too. So you guys just stay tuned. Yes, SpongeBob is a plate cutie. So just stay tuned for that video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm like fully sore from this whole process. It just is what it is, y'all. But until next time, y'all, I think he might try to sleep in there. Like he's like too comfortable. But until next time, you guys, I will see y'all later. Bye. So you guys, real quick, I did go back in and put the little windows in on his bed as well as the little middle piece. And I just want to show you guys that final ending result before I go ahead and conclude this video. I am waiting to put his bedding on here Christmas Eve, aka later tonight, because it's midnight, 23rd into the 24th. So I'm waiting to put his bedding on later tonight when he goes to sleep. That way Christmas morning he wakes up and he sees it completely made up and everything. I'm a little disappointed though, because I bought him a SpongeBob saucer chair from Amazon, and I opened it up today so I could try to hide it because it's in like a huge box, and it has a huge wettish stain on it, you guys. And like I'm so mad because like I can't return it until after Christmas, and then even when I do return it, like it's going to take forever for another one to get here, and it's supposed to be a freaking Christmas present. So like I'm really upset with that, because I was supposed to have it out and sitting in his room like Christmas morning, and now I can't do that because it has some wet stain on it. I don't even know what it is. Like I could attempt to clean it, but like that's gross. Like I'm supposed to have a whole brand new chair. Like disgusting. But anyway, y'all, I just want to show you guys the actual final look of his bed. Like I said, it is supposed to have some steps to it in the front, but this bed is already taking up enough space, so I kind of just left the steps off. But I will show you guys a picture of how it does look with the steps right here. And then I will show you guys how I did it without the steps right here. So that is it, you guys. Now I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. And until next time, bye guys.